Microwaves have come up a long way from just being reheating equipment. They have become an integral part of the cooking experience. With an increasing focus on space utilization and freeing up counter space, a built-in microwave is an obvious addition to the modular kitchens. The sleek built-in microwave, Gavino, is packed with flexible and intelligent features that suit every kitchen style. Let's explore this product. This product has a digital display panel with different options for program selection. By pushing this button, the doors open and you can see a stainless steel cavity inside. Cooking function of Gavino Microwave: microwave, defrost, convection, grill. Combination: microwave. This is the most used function of microwave. Using this function, you can quickly heat and cook any recipe. This function has 5 label settings for you to select from, based on the type of recipe. To select this function, press Function key and select the microwave option. Based on the recipe, you can then select the power of microwave and the time duration, and then press Start. Defrost. The defrost function helps you to bring any frozen recipe to normal room temperature. To select this function, press Function key and select Defrost option. Select the weight of the recipe and press Start. Convection. Using this function, you can bake any recipe which you can bake in an oven. It's ideal for all confectionery items or cooking or baking any recipe. To select this function, press Function key and select the Convection option and then select Power as per the recipe. Select Time and then press Start. Grill. This function works with help of the heating element in the microwave. You can do all types of grilling and roasting here. To select this function, press Function key and select Grill option. Choose from the power options of grill, select time and press Start. Combination. This unique function given in Gavino helps you to use 2 cooking functions at same time: micro and grill. In this function, microwave and grill works together. The microwave is at 55% and grill is at 45% power. This mode is ideal for roasting and providing brownish texture. Micro and convection. In this function, microwave and convection work together. The microwave is at 40% and convection at 60% power. This function is ideal for baking cakes and muffins. Convection and grill. In this function, convection and grill work together. Convection is at 50% and grill is at 50% power. This function is ideal for browning and baking. To select this function, press the Function key and select the Combi option. You will then get option to select C3. And then select Time and press Start. Auto menu. The auto menu has preset functions for rice, vegetable, meat, spaghetti, fish and chicken. One can select these recipes by pressing the auto menu and then choosing the settings from A1 to A6. You just need to select the weight of the recipe and the microwave will set the time automatically.